Hello everyone, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. Guess what time it is? Welcome to my channel tonight. I am ready to do the giveaway for the little Happy Mail share that I announced last week. So today's Tuesday. I said I would do it on Tuesday. So I've got it ready. I've got the URL in here. And then I'm going to go ahead and do it. It was for the little, packet of goodies from my Happy Mail, and so if you want to see that video, I think I did it last Thursday, but I don't have it right here with me. So we're just going to get started with the giveaway. So this is a super short video, maybe the shortest one ever that I've done. So I've got the URL in there. We got to hit get YouTube comments. I've got, what is this? Let me see, 17, and then we go over here and hit start, and then we're going to find out who won. So let's hit it. Pinky Noble. I don't think she's won anything from me before, so congratulations, Pinky Noble, and I will get that to you. If you can, please email me your address, your address, so I can mail the little, the packet to you. And my email will be below this video. And I noticed other ladies were putting in a date as to a response date. And in case somebody doesn't respond, they can do a redrawing. I'm sure I'll hear from Pinky. But just in case, let's say, give a date of this Friday, which is, today's the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, so that's April 5th. So if I don't hear anything by April 5th, we'll do a redrawing, but I'm sure we won't have that problem. So, congratulations, this was fun, and I can't wait for my next giveaway. And y'all have a good night. See you next time.